there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together. Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky. When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
The Houm Stretch. This is awesome! Ha 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 ha! Yeah! Oh, guys, we should totally make our own racing cars, am I right?
Yeah! Andy's off.
I'm building the super fastest car with super strength and super muscle. Zoom across the finish line. Engine, gas, super turbo, vroom!
Hit the brakes!
What?
We don't want a plain, regular, smoggy car with oil drips and all that exhaust. We should build a whole new kind of car. One that runs on pure, clean fuel. Like the wind, for instance. And we could just float like clouds.
What? Cars should be as fast as lightning! Engine, gas, super turbo. We need to build a proper racing car!
But my wind car would be pretty quick. Let's make my wind-powered race car.
Listen, guys. Why don't we just make both of them? And then we can race the cars against each other.
What do you think? Should we race?
Totally.
Yeah! The racers pull up to the starting line. On the right, you will see in the red helmet Thunder Bucky in his sweet super ride, the SKT 4 million trillion gajillion! The fastest, most powerful race car in the universe! Ha! Ha ha!
And on the left, you'll see in the blue helmet Bjorn Free in his clean and lightweight and eco-friendly new vehicle, the Speedy Cloud.
Gentlemen, start your engines! Ready, get set, race!
Eat my dust, wind boy!
What you doing?
I'm riding the wind, like the wind.
Vroomity vroom, vroom vroom vroom!
So whoosh, I guess, maybe.
Vroom, vroom vroom, screech! Yeah! I've got to be the fastest bear in the world! Vroom! Turn, screech! Yeah! Oh! Out of the way, tree! Ouchie! This is very bad! Rock! Rock! Oh. Rock!
Buck, are you all right?
Well, I think I'm all right. Just had a bit of a hiccup with my awesome race car.
Whereas my eco-friendly wind machine is absolutely immune to the hiccups. I think the wind stopped. I could use some eco help here.
My goodness, nobody even made it across the finish line, guys.
Well, if there's no wind, there's no eco speed.
It just needs some wind. All right, then. Bucky, what do you have?
A fan. It blows air in one direction.
Just like, oh, maybe the wind. And who might need some wind? Do I need to spell it out?
Franny's right. Let's work together to make wind.
But of course! Fran, you're a genius! I can't wait to see the Speedy Cloud 4 gajillion trillion million in action! Ha! Steer to the left!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Woohoo! Yay! It's awesome!
Yeah! Taking walks and playing games when together.
Friends together! Or inventing super mega awesome one-of-a-kind race cars together!
Everything together! A kite in the tree.
I think it's the highest a kite's ever flown ever.
Gosh, it's pretty. Can I have a turn?
Of course. Just be sure you hold it real tight.
Yeah, sure. Why is it falling?
The wind died down.
Look out for that tree.
Well, that's that.
Not on my watch. I'll get it down.
Bucky?
You might want to back up. Ha-ha! The bear touched the sky! Nope. That was the sky's fault.
Listen, you have to take your time. Climb slow and steady. Plan each step.
This time I'll get it. I got it, I got it, I got it, I don't. This time I'll definitely get it. I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it.
Right.
Come on.
Getting there.
Oh, no, you don't.
There.
Hey guys, why don't we just leave that one there and make a new one?
No way! Our kite doesn't belong to this tree. Look, Bjorn's almost got it already. Hey, Bjorn!
No
looking
kite
good!
ever gets left behind. I didn't get it down.
All right, we need better equipment. Tree meat ladder. I'm going up to get our kite back. Maybe hold the ladder. Bjorn, I can't quite reach it. I need backup. Get up here.
I can almost reach it. Franny, come up here. We're so close.
Just a teeny bit more. One strand of tail fur.
Just be sure that you hold the ladder steady. Don't let go.
Hey, Bucky. I was just wondering, if all of us are up here, then who's... I think that I know what our best plan is now.
We just build a new kite?
What? No. Now we make a tornado with our lungs. Blow as hard as you can.
Come on!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah! Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
All right, guys, maybe we should stop.
You're right. Throwing sticks is not smart because we might hurt the kite. But I've got the answer. Friends, I give you the brand newest incredible awesome invention. It's the poultry pult. Hop in, bud. It's super simple to operate. All you do is pull the lever. Good test. This time we just aim a little better and try again. And again. And again. So we might have exceeded operational capacity.
What?
The poultry pult is kaput.
You guys, hey, why don't we make an even better kite instead?
Hey, that sounds like a great idea.
Why didn't I think of that? Franny, you're a genius.
It's so pretty. Can I have a turn?
Of course, here it is. Just try not to let the wind do that again.
Oh, no.
I don't like that tree.
So we just build a new one, right?
You kidding? I can get it down. Ha ha!
Here we go again.
The weather forecast.
Bucky's limber, Bucky's spry. This bear is on fire.
Now let the badminton tournament begin!
I'm ready to win big.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm ready to win bigger.
Game on, guys!
Slam!
Pow!
Hi-ya!
Oh. Shuttlecock retrieval. Oh! Kaplow! Shuttlecock retrieval. What are you, on break?
Stop the game! It's all over. It's a tie!
It's a tie? I want to win! We have to keep going.
Let's do it then.
Bucky's pumped, Bucky's spry. This bear is wet. Run! Save yourselves! Hurry! You ever see a wet bear? We look ridiculous! Oh, my fur is gonna be frizzy for a week.
Dumb old thunderstorm. It spoiled our fun afternoon. If only we'd known in advance that all this rain was coming, then we could have planned the tournament for a different time instead.
Hey, we could do that. There's a way to predict future weather. Let's go outside and I'll show you.
Well, we're outside. Show us how to predict the weather.
We need to observe the birds. If they're flying close to the ground, rain might be coming. And if they're flying way up high, we're in for sunny weather.
But where are the birds? There are none around.
Then we just have to wait.
Idea! No more waiting around. Birds are for the birds. What I'm gonna do is build a mechanical weather predictor. Franny, Chicky, let's get going. Yes! See the saw! See the saw, saw! Oh, that is looking sweet! Presenting my new awesome invention, the truly brilliant Rain-O-Matic Brain-O-Matic! Ta-da! It's all very simple. I put my avian macrochip right in the basket, which the balloon then skyifies. At the first sign of rain, the avian macrochip relays a signal to those on the ground. And that's that. Any questions? Good. Where's my macrochip? Ah! Excellent. If you see any weather, just be sure to let us know down here. Good, macrochip.
Finally, there's a bird! Flying high. All right, that means rain's not coming. I need to go tell the guys. Yay!
Chicky Chip, you're back! And you're all wet, which must mean rain. It'll be here soon. We need to tell Bjorn.
Bucky, sunny weather's coming!
Hey, Bjorn, here comes rain.
We're gonna have sunshine.
No, we're not, Bjorn. Here comes rain.
No, here comes sunshine.
No, rain.
Hey, look, you guys, it's snowing.
Does look like snow, which means that we won't be playing any more games.
Sigh. I guess I should have built a snow-o-matic. Oh, heck, no-o-matic.
So, Bjorn, have you got some skis by any chance?
Of course! Skis, yeah! We can have a tournament of winter badminton.
Uh-huh. This was a really cool idea.
Game
comes my super serve! Kablamo!
Boom!
Kerthwack! Ha! Ugh.
Yay! Kapow!
Ugh. Shuttlecock retrieval. Hey, is that a rain cloud?